JEGS Universal 20-circuit wiring harness is designed for almost any car or truck, with a front-mounted engine and fuse block under the dash near the steering column. The harness works with the ignition switch mounted on the dash or steering column. All wires of this updated harness are attached to the fuse block, and the harness features 20 circuits with 16 fuses in a small fuse block, so space under the dash isn't wasted. The horn relay, turn signal, and hazard flashers are mounted on the fuse block. All terminals are soldered using premium high-temperature wire for reliability, and the color-coded wires are labeled for easy identification. Log on to jegs.com today or call 1-800-345-4545. The most trusted name in automotive performance. One call gets it all. One click gets it quick.
JEGS.